Hey, Dominic, how's it going, buddy? I hope you had a great day. No worries about our session today. I totally get it. It happens. It actually gave me a moment to hang out with my son, Drew, and play Nintendo Switch. And do you know what the first song that came on for Dance Dance Revolution was? It was BTS Butter. He smoked me. He utterly smoked me. But afterwards, I got thinking about BTS and how you love BTS, and I started watching a lot of their videos on YouTube, like their music videos. They are catchy, dude. I gotta admit, I'm gonna have to add a couple of their songs to my workout playlist. And then I started going down their history. I just started reading about them a little bit. In 2011, they were supposed to debut. It wasn't until 2013 that Too Cool for School came out, and that single off that album, the No More Dream, it immediately fell off the top of the charts. And then the next year was when they finally started touring in 2014. So I'm just curious, and I'd love to talk about this at our next session. I'll let you take the floor and educate me on their history. Have you watched any interviews or read anything about the band members and how they felt those first couple of years, like to make it? Because it seemed like that would be a lot of work to get those first 3 years before you even really start touring. And then in 2017, they were the first K-pop band to perform at the American Music Awards. That was 6 years before they hit like success. That's the thing about success. Everybody sees the final result. They just see that snapshot. They don't see all the hard work leading up to that final result. So I'd love to talk and hear your side and see your insights about what the band felt like those first few years. And who knows, maybe I'll even show you the video my wife took of me dancing to Butter. It's not pretty, dude. It's not pretty. But hey, have a great week, and hopefully we will catch up next week because I'd love to know more about BTS and especially those early years. Have a good one, bud.